A buildup of travelers is now being seen at the Ninoy Aquino International Airport ahead of the Holy Week rush. Reporting live from Pasay City, our multimedia reporter Mary Joyce Salcedo has the latest. MJ?
Yes, Neil, I am currently here at the Ninoy Aquino International Airport, Terminal 3, where passengers continue to surge to travel to their respective destinations for Holy Week. According to MIA General Manager Eric Ines, the arrival and departure of travelers have continued at the airport for the last 2 weeks. That is both for domestic and international flights. General Manager Ines said that the increase in fuel prices caused by Middle East tensions has not yet affected the influx of travelers at NAIA today. This is because most of the passengers have purchased their tickets in advance. As for the foot traffic this Holy Week, around 150,000 inbound and outbound travelers were recorded at NAIA on Palm Sunday. This is 5.18% higher than the 142,000 recorded during the Palm Sunday last year. Meanwhile, more than 142,000 travelers were reported at NAIA on Monday. It is still about 1.28% higher than the 140,000 record on last year's Holy Monday. As for this Holy Tuesday, the numbers will be reported by the end of the day since airlines are still recording the influx of passengers. But the NNIC earlier said that the daily foot traffic is expected to remain above 140,000 throughout the travel period. The NNIC projected an NAIA passenger volume to reach 1.35 million from March 29 to April 5, 2026. This anticipated number is slightly higher than the 1.33 million recorded in 2025. But the corporation noted that the anticipated number this year is lower than their earlier projections. And the reason for this, Neil, is due to the flight cancellations and operating restrictions affecting some routes in the Middle East. Back to you, Neil.
MJ, kamusta yung napansin mo dyan na security measure dyan sa NAIA? Mas tight ba ito than usual or status quo lamang? Kung ano yung usual na security, na level of security dyan, yun yung same. The same is being implemented today.
Yes, Neil, ngayon nga more personnel yung mga nakadeploy dito sa NAIA dahil nga sa inaasahang dagsa ng mga pasahero. And nabanggit din ng NNIC earlier sa kanilang statement na nag-deploy talaga sila ng more personnel, check-in counters, immigration and security screening areas, and of course, closer coordination daw with airlines and ground handlers.
MJ, you mentioned sa report mo kanina na parang mas mataas yung number ng travelers ngayon kumpara doon sa nakaraang taon. So, typically ba, MJ, anong araw yung nagiging surge dyan ng pasahero sa NAIA?
Actually, Neil, nakausap nga natin yung si NNIC General Manager nung nakaraan, and he said na ang talagang peak daw is from Palm Sunday, syempre yun yung start ng Holy Week, nag-uuwian ang mga pasahero, and on April 5, because yun daw yung busiest period dahil nga sa magbabalikan na yung mga pasahero sa kanilang mga trabaho. Kaya yun daw, from the Palm Sunday to Easter Sunday, ang inaasahan na peak dito sa NAIA.
MJ, siguro ilang paalala na lamang para sa ating mga kababayan na pupunta dyan sa airport. Ilang oras yung advised na i-allot nila bago yung kanilang boarding time. Dapat ba ngayon dahil mas marami ng tao, dapat ba mas maaga yung pagpunta nila or just the same?
Actually, Neil, dahil nga sa napaghandaan naman daw ng management ng airport, mas maraming personnel, mas maraming accommodation, check-in counter, so nananatiling normal naman yung operation dito sa NAIA. Pero kahit ganun man, pinapaalalahanan pa rin ang ating mga pasahero na dumating ahead of time, like 3 hours, para mas makapag-settle na agad at iwasan na malate sila sa kanilang mga biyahe.
Okay, maraming salamat, MJ. That's Mary Joyce Salcedo reporting live from Pasay City.